Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here to share my September's Happy Mail from the Stamps of Life. It is my club card kit and it is for the month of September, but it is Christmas. If you didn't see my Die Hard Club unboxing, I will link the video here. You can check that out. For that, we received the stamp set and the dies, inspiration card. But in the kit, and then I got 2 free dies as well. This is also my birthday month, my anniversary month for one of the clubs. So I got I think it was a $25 gift certificate to use at the Stamps of Life for whatever I want. So I am deciding what to do with that. But these are the dies I got. Look at this. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's to make a border. And then this one as well, a rectangle die. It's nested. You can put sentiments in there, whatever. So thank you. Those are my free dies. Thank you, Stephanie and Ken. Also in the kit, we got 2 spools of ribbon, satin and grosgrain. Is that grosgrain? Yep. And it's like a minty one and a green. They have colors, I just don't know the names. We also got some chipboard lights. And then we got another die cut. It is holly leaves with the holly berry and the shadow pieces. And then we got a one that says holiday wishes and it has its shadow piece as well. This is a 6x6 paper pad for this month. And the die we got from the Die Hard Club will cut out that wreath that you saw right there and the bow. Those pieces are dies in the kit. And here's another inspiration card. Here's the stamp set and sentiments. It says from our home to yours, or you're in my thoughts, my friend. And then it's the stamps for those the holly die. Ooh, we also got some of these faceted gemmies. And you know, they all coordinate the colors. And then some of these resin Christmas trees. You also get a pack of A2 size envelopes. And a handy dandy envelope to put your club kit in. You get an assortment of matching 8.5 by 11 cardstock. And there's the paper palette that you receive. Yeah. So this looks like a fun kit this month. Look for the playlist at the end of the video if you've missed any of my other unboxings. Every month I receive this monthly subscription. I've been getting it probably for 3 years maybe now. And so I might be considering taking a break for a while. I don't know. But watch for the projects that come out for this. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. For more videos like these, see here, please consider liking and subscribing. And until my next video, shakas!